Let's watch the video. What's it about?
It's about London. London is the capital city of the UK.
Cool. What can you see in London?
Let's watch.
Hi, I'm Liam. I live in London. London is a big city. This is a famous street in London. It's called Oxford Street. Look at the people. They're going shopping. This is my favourite place. It's called Chinatown. It's a great place to have a meal. This is Buckingham Palace. The kings and queens of the UK live there. Look at all the people. They're taking photos. I want to take some photos too. Here's a famous tower. It's called the Tower of London. It's the oldest tower in London. This is my favourite statue. It's at Paddington Station. It's a bear. It's called Paddington. There are lots of things to see in stations in London. This is King's Cross Station. You can see this statue there. It's fun. You can listen to music. And you can catch a train too. Okay, let's go to the park. We're meeting my friends. I hope you like the tour of London.
London is cool.
Yeah, it is. What's the capital city of Scotland, Sarah?
The capital city of Scotland is Edinburgh.
What can you see in your capital city? Are there any statues?
Yes, there are. There's the Sherlock Holmes statue. Sherlock Holmes is a book character. There are lots of famous stories about him.
What can you do there?
You can take photos. Lots of people take photos there.
What can you see in your city?